At Nature's Healing Home, we produce beautiful organic food every day from the farm to the table.
Wow!
Banana from the farm.
Beautiful.
Just freshly picked organic banana.
Gorgeous.
It's pigeon peas.
Oh, beautiful.
And it's organic pigeon peas, and it's really good to bring nitrogen to the land. So it's really good to have it all over the place. Organic tomatoes.
Beautiful.
And we also have organic eggplants. So we'll
Ooh, look at this little guy.
that's
He's coming
little
through.
organic eggplants. Beautiful oregano. This is the giant oregano. This is not the small oregano, but the taste and the smell is exactly the same as the small ones. So we're making this a lot for medicinal, for texture, for oregano.
And great on Italian food, pizza, pasta, all this kind of stuff.
And the dried one is really good for salads. These are the dill, organic dill, that we have plenty in the garden. And it's really good for fish, for soup. Shay makes really delicious. So
Taro, dill, and moringa
dill,
soup.
moringa soup with pigeon peas. Giving a lot of blessings this year, you know.
Beautiful.
It asks for more. It has a lot of fruits. And it's been good this year.
Look
it
at
hasn't
that.
been destroyed by typhoon or rain. So,
Yeah.
we have this moringa. It's actually a miracle tree. It has all 7 vitamins, all the 7 major vitamins that we need. It's all pure organic. And in this tree, you can use all the bark is medicinal, the flowers, the seeds, the fruits, and the leaves.
Great. Beautiful.
Guayabano, anti-cancer.
The local friendly, beautiful dogs.
Let's see if we have cashew fruit.
Okay, so let me zoom in on that. Okay. So this is the cashew fruit. So that's one cashew and it has a fruit.
That's actually the nut. So the
Yeah.
fruit is delicious.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some people like it, some people don't like it.
And what is it?
Thai basil.
Thai basil, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Beautiful. Look at
really healthy here. We can produce a lot of this here.
Yeah.
Now,
A little bit of rosemary.
rosemary
growing there,
here.
it's coming along.
It's going pretty well so far. And the mint so far is doing really well during summertime here. Rainy season, they will disappear.
Well, let's pick a bit and the benefits of turmeric.
Well, turmeric is one of the most powerful antioxidants. That's
Anti-inflammatory. yeah?
anti-inflammatory, very high antioxidant in it.
Yep.
And of course, the same thing with ginger,
Yeah.
anti-inflammatory,
Very warming for the
yeah.
joints. And then the taro. Taro's more delicious than potato, isn't it? It's pretty nice. It
It's
actually grows here
It's
really,
really
well.
good for the make it as a soup or just make it as a potato. And the Ganoderma mushroom,
Yeah.
they grow all over the place here.
Yes.
And the tree, date tree.
And the Ganoderma has it's an adaptogen, so